A quick disclaimer, this post is not about homosexuals. Let's not get it twisted. It's about the church. It's about morality. It's about who tells us what is moral and what isn't moral. Now look at this now. The church, the Pope basically, which is the head of the church, whether you're a Catholic or you're a non-Catholic, you fall under this umbrella. So it says that the Pope has approved to priests to bless same-sex couples. Now many of us have been socialized to understand that homosexuality is an unnatural thing because it doesn't really lead to procreation. So by that definition, we perceive it as something that is immoral, as something that is an abnormality, something that is not a natural occurrence. That this is our own perception of what homosexuality is. Now the church has basically made it their mission to be anti-homosexuals, and let's look